How to change your downloads location on Microsoft Edge browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Microsoft Edge. This is the home page, as you can see. Now go to the top corner, click on those three dots and go down, click on settings. After you click on settings, it will take you directly to this page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do in this page is simple. Just go right here and choose downloads option. After you choose downloads, now right here you will find location. Click change right here and choose any location or on your desktop. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.